How to make YouTube video full screen. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Click on U located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings located at top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and then click on Playback. In Playback, turn on Zoom to fill screen, which is the last option, and turning it on means there is blue color and the circle is on the right side. After you've done that, when you click on any video, it will be full screen. And this is how to make YouTube video full screen. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.